Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 182. And if we start with this column here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 7, 8. For this column now, we're missing a 2. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here. So 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 2 covering this box and a 2 covering this box, so our 2 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. Again, we've got a 2 covering here and a 2 covering here. So our 2 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 5 covering both of these boxes, so our 5 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 covering this box and a 7 here. So this is our 6. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. And that 1 makes this our 3, 1. If we look at this top row, we're missing 4, 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 7, 8. 4 and 8 here, so 7, 8. 4 here, so 6, 7, 8. If we look at this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this row now, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. Oh, we've got 1 and 6 here. Or no, that doesn't work, does it? So 1 here, so 6, 8. 6 here, so 1, 8. And no help here, 1, 6, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 4. 4 here, so 3, 6. 6 here, so 3, 4. That means the only place our 6 can be in that column is here. If we look at this row now, we're missing 3, 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 7, 9. 9 here, so 3, 5, 7. We've got 5 here, 7 here, and 9 here. So that means this is our 3. And again, the 7. So 5, 9. And with this 3, we can get rid of this 3. All right. If we look at this box, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here. So So this is our 8. But I don't see any other help, so this is 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here. So 3, 5, 3 here. So 4, 5, 9. For this column, with that 8, we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 7. So our 1 for that column can't be here or here, so it must be here. That 1 makes this our 8. That 8 makes this our 6. And those don't really help us out anywhere else for the moment. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, 8, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 covering both of these boxes. We've got an 8 here. So that means this is our 3, and the 5 and 9 mean this is our 8. That 3 makes this our 9, 3, and that 9 makes this our 5, 9. That 5 makes this our 3, 4, 9. And now we can get rid of this 9. That 4 makes this our 3. All right. If we look at this row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 1 covering both of these boxes, so our 1 must be here. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 8. And that 7 makes this our 5, 7. So with that 8, we can get rid of this 8. So we look back at this row. The only place our 6 can be is here. And that 6 makes this our 7, 4, 7, 4. Oh, that can't be right. Now we've got 2 4s here. And for this, we would be missing a 4 for this box, but we've already got a 4 here. How would this row work out? Missing 5 and 6, and we've already got 5 and 6 in this box. All right, well, it looks like I made a mistake somewhere in there. But that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.